Are you tired of working 9 to 5, barely making ends meet, feeling tired and feeling that there's no time left for you? Let's be real, hustling every day can be exhausting, right? Now, what if I told you there's a way to make money while you sleep, relax, or even have that dream vacation? Sound like it's too good to be true? Well, it's not. Here's the harsh truth. Most people are stuck in a paycheck to paycheck cycle, relying on one income stream. But in today's digital age, not having multiple streams isn't just risky, it's unnecessary. Imagine a future where your money works for you. But let's face it, the idea of passive income can feel overwhelming. You might think, I don't have the time, the skills, the know-how, the knowledge, or the money to start. Or maybe you've tried something before that just didn't work. Sound familiar? That's why I've done the hard work for you. So, in today's video, I'm breaking down 10 realistic passive income ideas that anyone can start, even if you're a complete beginner with no experience. So stick around, because number 7 is an absolute game changer that most people overlook. What's going on, guys? I'm Lorna Recommend. Welcome back to my channel. Please do go ahead and hit that subscribe button, like and share this video with your friends and family to help your girl's channel grow. It's free, and this video helps more people like you who are just getting started on their money making journey. Number 1, we have print on demand merchandise. Do you know that you can design t-shirts on mugs, tote bags, and sell them on platforms like Printify or Teespring, or Spring, which it's now called? And the best part is they handle all the inventory and shipping for you. Number 2, invest in dividend stock and let your money grow for you. So, dividend stocks allow you to earn regular payouts just for owning shares. There are apps such as Robinhood make investing accessible even for beginners. 3, we have digital products. Create and sell digital products like templates, planners or guides, and we have platforms like Etsy or Gumroad, making it super easy to set up a shop, and once it's live you can make sales 24/7 with no extra work to you. Now then, guys, I'm giving away a free template which has 54 digital product ideas for beginners to get started right away. Also, recently I put together a super ebook which is easy to follow. It's called Create, Craft and Sell Your Own Digital Product. It's packed with step-by-step instructions, and it has everything you need to get started. So if you really are serious about getting into the digital market, then this ebook is definitely for you, and I'll leave my link in the description below. 4 is starting your own YouTube channel. Yes, you can become a creator with helpful content that gets monetized with ads and watch your money roll in. The key is to focus on content that keeps getting views. 5, we have affiliate marketing. You can easily promote products you love and earn a commission on every single sale. You can do this through blogs, through YouTube videos, or even your own social media posts. So, are you seeing the pattern here? The secret to passive income isn't just about making money. It's about building systems that keep working for you long after the initial effort. And that's what's referred to as passive income, because it continues to grow and earn for you. And now, here is what most people miss: licensing your skills. If you have a particular skill like photography, music or coding, then for sure you can license your work. There are platforms like Shutterstock or Envato that let you sell photos, videos, or software, and you will be earning royalties over time. Number 7 is about creating an online course, which is a game changer, as I mentioned to you before. You can share what you know, and platforms like Teachable or Udemy make it easy to create and sell courses. So once your course is up and running, people can enroll at any time and you get paid. Number 8, we have rent out your space. Do you have extra space or a room? Then you can make passive income by renting it out. Platforms like Airbnb will let you list a spare room or a vacation home or even just storage space. However, if hosting guests isn't your thing, then consider renting your storage space to someone local using neighborhood.com. Number 9 is build an app or website. Even if you're not tech savvy, there are platforms like bubble.com or Fiverr that will enable you to create simple apps or websites. Then you can monetize them through ads, subscriptions, or by selling premium features. Imagine earning money every time someone uses your apps or clicks on that ad. Number 10 is about creating membership or subscription service. So why don't you turn your passion or expertise into recurring income by creating a membership community? There are platforms like Patreon or Substack that allows you to charge monthly for exclusive content, coaching, or perks. The best thing is you get paid consistently and your audience gets extra value, right? Folks, here's the thing. These ideas won't build themselves, but the good news is you only need to start with one. Just go ahead and pick one. Just pick something that excites you. Take action today and watch how small efforts grow into something amazing over time. So then, which of these ideas are you most excited to try? So comment below and let me know. I'd love to hear from you. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this video. Hit the bell notification for more tips on creating your dream lifestyle. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.